Be careful chasing women who don't see you as their man, but as an investment. And I'm not saying this to bash women. I'm saying this because a lot of men confuse attention with intention. Some women don't want a partner. They want support. They want stability. They want help. And if you don't recognize that early, you'll become the guy who pays, not the guy she values. You'll be the one sending money, driving her around, solving her problems, while there's another guy doing half of that. And somehow she gives him more effort, more energy, more desire. Why? Because you positioned yourself as provision, not presence. If you lead with your wallet, don't be surprised when that's all you're respected for. Move smart. Spot red flags early. Don't confuse being needed with being chosen. If you want the extra sauce on how to move in this generation without getting played and how to read the signs early, comment Playboy and I'll send you the Playboy playbook.